Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you step-by-step process how you can manage your passwords, account details, and also like credit card with 1Password. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're going to be in 1Password, let's just click here, try free for 14 days. You'll have also a link down below in the description. Now I'll just add here my email address that I prepared. Let me show you. I'll just add it. You can also keep me updated on 1Password offers if you want to. Click next here. And now the code will come to your account. So right here, you can see the verification come from your email address and add it. Next. Now I'll just add here my name and I'll just add here master password. And as it mentioned, minimum of 10 characters, make it strong, but one you can remember. Okay, click next. You can also create account and add card later, or you can immediately add a card. It's really up to you. Create an account. And now save your emergency kit. If you ever lose all your devices, you will need to emergency kit to sign into your account. Download your emergency kit and keep it somewhere safe. Okay, download. And straight away it got us to our dashboard, but I'm just going to show you what is the emergency kit about. Now right here, you're going to see it. So once you fill your master password, the details below can be used to sign to your 1Password account emergency. And this is something that you need to actually, like the secret key is really important. Print out this document, put it on USB key or external drive, fill in your MasterCard below. Just what you need to do is just like print it and just write here your master password. So in the future, when you would get hacked, you can actually use this. And this is really important, so save it somewhere safe, okay? Now when you got it, now this is it. Like this is the beauty. So you can simply have a personal here and you can create a new vault. Vault title, let's go with passwords. Description, you can add it or you don't need to. Create a vault. Now when you got it, let's just click here. And now you have all items here that we are going to create items. Watchtower. Weak passwords, unsecured. You will have like informations here, and then you get like categories here, like credit cards that you can add here, identities, address information that you can like add. So let's say that you are signing someone for the free trial, and you can use the identity here, secure notes, and logins. So what we're going to do is let's go to all items, and let's move to the bottom here on a plus, and we can simply click here like password. And now we can add a title like Facebook, password, add here, you can generate a password. If you want to, you can also like increase the password length. And you can add only words or symbols, or you can add like your own password. I'll just name it here, give me a second. Okay. When we had it, facebook.com, and now we got it. So password, facebook.com, website, label, notes, tags. You can edit if you want to. Click save. And this is like the first password I created. And you have like a wireless router here, a login. Again, username, Facebook. This was just the password, and now I'll just add here the login. Web address. Okay, and now what we have to do is to actually download an extension. So let's see. Okay, we got it. Add to Chrome, add extension, sign in. So I will just need to sign in. I need to edit this list and delete. So sign in. I will just gonna sign into my account. I'll just add a secret key that I have here. Look at this. And master password. Sign in. Voila. You can add remove account later from your 1Password. Add account. I'm going to set it right here. I'm going to pin it. And now as you can see, so I have my identification, username, okay. And now you can see it right here. See, Facebook. And this is, it is going to automatically add my password here. And I will just add my email here. Or I can go with a login here, but this is how you can actually do it. So I created this Facebook here, click save. And so, okay, we got a login here. So I prepared the password if I wanted, without the email or just the login. So when I would come here, I would click extension. I can simply use it and boom, login. Nice. So again, let's go back. And I'm going to be here. I can click and it's going to automatically suggest what I want to use. You can do it also with the cards. So when I would come here and I'm going to like click password here or personal, I can click plus here and you can add whatever you actually want. Reward program, server, membership, email account, bank account even, or credit card. And I'm not going to add my credit card here, but this is how you can simply do it. And I think like everyone knows how to do it. It's like not that hard. You just add here the title, card. This is like my bank. Cardholder name, I'll just add myself here. Number, verification number and everything. Issuing bank, phone, the contact information, which is like important. And this is how you can simply do it. It's not that hard. What I also recommend is when you go to your profile, you can change mail here. You can also manage the two-factor. I recommend like turning it on. That's also just my recommendation. And then you can also delete your account if you want to. But this is pretty much how we do it and how you use 1Password. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. This application is not that hard to use and everyone can learn how to use it. It's just simple things. So yeah.